Goodbye 2024. Hello 2025. May all your dreams come true and make sure you have success in your career. Happy New Year! Now, because the new year has started, I will have more success in game development. Make a game that everyone will play. Make your first game in 2025. In the new year, there will be more tutorials. I can't wait. These tutorials are the most successful. And this tutorial has 30,000 views. I will also offer new services for game development. If you need help with your indie game project, send me a DM on Instagram. Welcome to Kozmobot Games.